Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can get these outfits from the codes that they have on Dress to Impress. You're just going to go here, and then the first code unfortunately is expired. It's this petal dress. It was only up for 3 hours, so unless you got it then and there, unfortunately you cannot claim this anymore. But nonetheless, you can still claim this one. Has a lot of toggles. It is the code, I can't pronounce it, but I will put it in the description box down below. But those are all basically the codes that they have for Dress to Impress. If you want the Ice Queen set, which is not here, and it's not a code, you'll need to finish the quest, which is here, and then go to Winter Quest and select Join. And that is how, well, and those are the codes that they have for this update on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.